welcome and welcome back. So for today we'll be hosting guests and I want you to join me as we prepare for them. So host with me, karibuni. We are just doing the preparation first to ensure everything is set before we start cooking. So the first thing is we have the beef over here, which was cooked and boiled yesterday, and then we have the minji over there, the peas at the cooker already boiling. So we have done some bit of preparation. We have done the onions, the hohos, viazis are in progress. Then as we continue the rest, so for me I'm just going to do the chicken for now. As we continue the preparation, yeah. So for the chicken I'm just going to cut it into pieces. So that's what we're basically first doing with the chicken. Everyone has their own duty to do so that we can all finish on time. So we are just cutting the chicken with everyone. My aunt is doing the viazis right now. My cousin is doing the onions. My sister is on the drinks preparing. Then I am doing the chicken. My mom is doing the other ingredients over there. Then she wants to do the projects first. Yeah. So we are just hosting for a few guests, like 8, plus now us, the rest of us. I'm done with the chicken, so we're just going to brine it. Then the rest wanaendelea tu na the preparation, the different preparations. Everyone has their own preparation to do. Our minji is already cooked or boiled. Then this is the butternut, chapo. We'll just blend it, then put it into the chapo. Then we have the chicken. This is now kienyeji chicken that is cooking. Yeah, then the broiler we're just going to roast. All this is happening as we do the rest of the preparation. Time to wait for the brine to cool. Add cold water on top. Just brine it with some rosemary and some bit of black pepper, the grounded one. Over here, this is my aunt. By the way, whenever you see me making good chapo, she's the reason. She was my tutor for chapo making, so today ni mwalimu anatengeneza. She's the one who taught me how to make chapo, so today she's the one making them. Yeah. Continue. So I'm telling her she should be doing practice, so she's not doing journalism. No, see, not about doing anything else. Journalism.
I add some water. I add some water.
Soup. We are now doing the pilau. The stew is still in progress. Now we are just starting out on the pilau. So far we have done the kachumbari. Kuku kienyeji is ready, and then stew and pilau are ongoing, and the goat meat, beef or goat, yeah, goat meat is ongoing, and then also chapo, we are just doing the balls. Then now we start cooking it. So yeah, the only one that is left is now the matoke or marigo, and the roast chicken and the roast potatoes. Those ones will be done at the end, because those ones don't take long. Yeah, 1 hour should be enough for those three. We don't use tomato paste or soy sauce in grilled pilau. Note that, please. No tomato paste or soy sauce. Tatosha for the roast potatoes.
It doesn't stay raw.